Most of us have done a lot of cooking during this lockdown, and especially with kids, they felt hungry almost every 1 or 2 hours. It was important to give them something healthy rather than feeding them junk. This was one recipe which was quite quick and healthy. It's called Suji Veggie Squares, a little modification to my mother's recipe.
Here are the simple ingredients that we'll be using. 1 cup of Rawa, 3 cups of milk, salt and pepper to taste. These are the vegetables required. 1 onion, slit green chilies and coriander. That's it. But you can add another vegetable to enhance the flavor. I use carrots. You can even go for corn. Then oil for greasing the pan and shallow frying the squares. The vegetables need to be very finely chopped, so I'm using the hand blender to minimize my effort. The kids love operating these mixer grinder, the hand blender, or beating the cake batter, so they're here just to blend the veggies. Once your vegetables are nicely blended, we'll start boiling the milk. Grease the pan while the milk is boiling. Once you see the milk simmer, add in your salt, the pepper, and then our finely chopped vegetables. So I have everything in here: the green chilies, the onion, the carrot and the coriander. We'll nicely mix it in. Let it boil for a minute and add the Rawa. Mix it well while adding so that it does not form any lumps. And keep mixing till the consistency thickens. Once the mixture coats your spatula, we can turn off the flame. Add it to the greased pan and spread it evenly with your spatula. Flatten it with the spatula. You can add a little oil on it so it spreads evenly like this. Let it chill for 10 minutes in the refrigerator. Remove it from the fridge and cut into even squares for shallow frying. Take a non-stick pan and brush some oil on it and add your squares to it. Once the square is nice, crisp and brown, flip it over. Basically, both your sides need to get this very nice crisp texture, so please be patient till that's nicely done, and then you're ready to serve. They taste best with the mint chutney, but you can also serve it with tomato ketchup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe if you did.